Hello and welcome. My name is Bashar and I am Shopware developer. Today we are going to create a CMS element. So before we start, you can read this article at CMS blog and the other one at CMS element. So I have Shopware version 6.4.20. You can have the same version. Now we are going to create our plugin. In previous video, I explained how to create a plugin. If you have some problems, you can go to the previous video. So here we are inside the container, Dockware container, and now that's it, our plugin. Here is the remote host. That's mean our Docker that is running. So I can download it from here now. I can change the description now here and the name of the plugin. So in the composer.json we can change the description of the plugin, like here is the name of the plugin. So if you need that for other language, you can here change it of the label. So I take cms-element, so to customize the administration, we have to create the following directory: app administration src. Inside that, here we are going to create the main.js. So now we are going to create the same structure of the Shopware core inside the src. Here we can create our elements. If we look to the vendor or the core of Shopware here, we see the same structure: module, swcms, and elements. Here are all the elements of the Shopware core. The element that I'm going to create it, I can call it like 6 images with title. So, and now that is the directory of our element. I can import it now here. Inside 6 image with title, we create the index point. JS. Here we can register our CMS element. Register CMS element method take an object. the content of the object here, we can copy it from the Shopware documentation, and now we can change that. We give that here a technical name for the element. Here that is translations file. We create the snippet directory in under the cms, and now we can create the German and English or any other language. In the snippet file you write this one cms, then elements. So here I can create my element now. Translation. And now we have that. The same thing we do it for the okay, here it was German and in English. Okay, 6 pictures, images. So now we have the translation for German and English language. Here the component, I can call it another with 6 images. And here for the config component and preview component, we are going to rename that, and after it we create the components here. So under elements directory, create the following file. Here is the preview directory that for that component here, and index.js here the file will be loaded for this preview. And now we are going to import the template that we are going to create it later for the preview, and we create here the configuration for the preview. I pause the video or recording for a second, and I wrote that here. So we import the template for our preview that we are going to create here, that is, and the other file is styling. One important thing is your component name should be the same as in the configuration here, preview component. So now we create the content of the template here. I created already, but just to save time. So now we are going to have an image, preview image. I will take the default image from Shopware, copy it. I create here a static image directory, copy that, that's it here. Just I discovered an error here. Just remove the preview to the 6 images with title directory. So that's now looks better. It will work. So you can remove the static folder to the element directory here. That's it. Now we have this preview. Just write the element name, static image, the folder, and the image. That's this one. Now I am going to upload my changes to the container, and I check if the preview, just the preview, will work or not. So now I have to change this to now we clear the cache. Our changes are there. Now we are going to build the administration. I will pause the video, our recording. After the build will finish, then I will come back. So the administration build is already finished, and I can check now the cms element. Go to shop experience, take any element, try to change that here. We should have our element here, and that's it here. But we have one problem. The image, yeah, we cannot see the image here. So I will try to I think the path is the problem. So I will just remove this static. I will use the one from the directly Shopware, upload that. I will build another time the administration. The build is finished, and now I can check that. I still don't have that. For the static pictures, just create the public directory here and write administration image cms and add the image that you want to use it, and then upload that to the container. So and just change that here, that this name is your plugin name after build administration. I see now, where is that? Under public bundles, and that's it. See, administration. That's the image that we already uploaded. So we already created here a static folder. Just remove it and create another one here, like not static but public administration, and just write image cms and the image file here and upload it. Our plugin is already, or our element is already appeared there. Now track one, and that's it here, the element. But now I have to change the style that to be good for the presentation here in this element, and I will add another 5 pictures that will be column 1 2 3 4 5 6 under each other. And here, if we make inspect and change the width of this image to 100, you see the name of our label. So now I'm going to create 3 or 6 images and 2 rows. Double that. So in the style file, just write the width, and that is the class of the image, and that is the parent class. Upload our changes to the remote host, and now we are going to build store administration. So let us check our element now. Okay, nice. That's it. We have our elements here, and now we can just give for the rows display flex for each row, and it will be above each other, just to let you know what I mean. Here, that is the first row, give it display flex, and the second row the same thing. So right here, the class row, display flex. We added this 6 title for each image and title. Now we can check our element. And that's it. So, and that's it for the preview component. So that's it, preview. Now that was the template here, and the style, and the file, this tweak file. So this, you can remove that static. That was for this video. In the next videos, I'm going to complete the CMS block and the component, that we have a complete functional CMS element. If you have questions or feedback, just contact me and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have fun. Goodbye.